everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be installing CurlyMe's Ombre Kinky highlight wig. I got this wig in 28 inches, it's 180 density, and it is a 13x4. Just a disclaimer, the hair did not originally come in this color. I went ahead and bleached it some more. The original color was as it is on this website. I feel like if you wanted it for the original color, you will not be disappointed. The only thing I would say, when I first got it, I was a little scared because the hairline looked really straight, but after I installed it, I was like, okay, it works. As far as bleaching the knots go, I did not bleach the knots itself, but like I said, I bleached the hair. Since it's lighter, I didn't really feel the need to bleach it because you can't really, I don't know, you can't really see the knots anyway because they're like technically already bleached. I did not pluck the hair. So everything you need to know is true to the description. It's true to the density. Like, the density was definitely bomb. The curl pattern was bomb. Overall, I recommend this hair. I think it's worth your money. I would definitely buy this hair again. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna show you guys the products I used in this hair. These are the only things I used in this hair. The first product I'm gonna show you guys is this one. It is Pantene's Hydrating Buttercream. Second one, it's just like, it's like mousse, but it says wrapping lotion. I don't know, you could just find this in any beauty supply store. And then I got another one that actually says mousse, but this one, I don't know, I really like this mousse. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just, the feel of it, it just works. It works well. Oh, and of course, I also use water. So right now, I'm just showing you guys all the hair pulled to the front. This is how it looks. And before I forget, shipping was only like 1 week. I ordered the hair on February 27th and I got the hair on March 7th. That was only about 8 days, so shipping was not long at all. Alright, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video.
timing for me.
He got them bangers.
Jealous because all of my friends that know me tell me that I remind them of Beyonce. So you can